For my sixth capstone assignment, I chose to focus on the Pacific Islands and their future relating to the inevitable migration away from climate change. Focusing on the Pacific Islands is somewhat broad, but the struggle against current trends and future forecasts threatening wide-scale migration is an experience many different islands in the region share. In more specific terms, many of these islands are facing the same issue of rising sea levels, depleting water availability due to saltwater intrusion, and worsening storms. Overall, these islands are very susceptible to climate change due to their location in nature as small, scattered island communities. Future forecasts point to worsening conditions in most regards, most impactful being sea level rise, possibly causing literal loss of land to the ocean. This would ultimately lead to a massive migration from the islands to other countries, uprooting entire cultures and societies that have lived in the region for thousands of years. There is no simple solution to this problem as the islands are facing multiple different threats due to climate change. While the Pacific Islands are at a more immediate threat requiring migration, many other regions around the globe will face motivation to either leave or even become inhospitable, predicting an ominous future of large populations losing their homes to climate change.